This video explains how to install Fit Web Themes Business Edition. Before you can start working on your website, you need to get the theme installed. From your WordPress dashboard, head on down to Appearance and click Themes. At the top, click Upload, and then on the next menu, click Upload Theme. In the box that appears below, click Choose File. Select fit-business-theme.zip. You can download this file by clicking the link in the description of this video. Upload the entire file. Then click Install Now. This will take a minute. Once finished, click Activate. You'll now have Fit Web Themes Business Edition installed and activated on your website. In the next video, we'll show you how to customize this theme for your own business.